But we're not the only members of the Loose Women family to get into the Halloween spirit today. Linda and Stacey are here, and they have brought some frighteningly furry friends.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs
Gigi, come here, darling.
So, Linda, who's who? Who's who?
This is Ernie.
Hello, Ernie.
He's a French bulldog.
What's Ernie? I can't see him. Where's
There
Ernie?
he is. Here he is. He's having a
Let's
nose
have
at
the
the
shot of Ernie
now.
and see what he's wearing. Oh, he's a spider. Hello, Ernie. Because Ernie's deaf, isn't he?
He is, yeah.
So
So
you
he's
won't-
the only dog that doesn't get upset on bonfire night because he can't hear the fireworks.
Oh, Stacey, who's that?
This is Theo.
Turn round, just turn round.
Is that real?
Other way, yeah.
Stacey, is that a real
It
dog?
is real. It's my baby girl.
Oh, she's gorgeous. Is she a Chihuahua?
She is a Chihuahua Pomeranian mix.
She's got the same facial expression as me right now, like...
What is this? What are you doing? And then we've got both Nadia's dogs.
Chi-Chi, Panda Pop, is the...
Look at that. Which one's
And
Chi-Chi?
then Toffee.
Is that Toffee?
Oh, look. That's Toffee, yeah.
Oh, cheers.
But look at Chi-Chi's head here. Wait, I'm not quite sure what she's supposed to be.
I think she's meant to be a spider.
Oh, she's supposed to be a bat.
Oh, she's a bat.
She's a bat.
Looks like a fly.
She doesn't look very happy about it. Not very happy.
OK, well, listen, audience... Yes, thank you. Yes, Chi-Chi.
Chi-Chi, come.
Audience, what do you want? Trick
it's
or
all right.
treat?
It's all right, it's all right.
Trick or treat? Treat.